Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, do you have somewhere you want me to send it to you?
Yeah, I have an email, but it's kind of hard to send like big videos to email.
Okay.
Let me, are you gonna be here for a minute?
I was gonna get ready to go, but...
For sure. I just want to capture the scene.
Yeah.
Slo Observer 1 at Gmail.
Slo Observer 1, just spelled regular?
At Gmail, yeah. The number 1.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Thanks, man.
I'll try to send
Appreciate
it.
you.
Gotcha.
Clear for a 2020 Mercedes.
Oh, that's the guy. That's the guy that elbowed the guy. That's the guy that elbowed the guy in the face all those times.
A San Luis Obispo police officer is on leave following an arrest over the weekend that was broadcast live on YouTube.
A video posted to YouTube by the channel Slo Observer has raised questions about the San Luis Obispo Police Department's use of force. He says he's routinely present at local law enforcement incidents, taking video at the scene and uploading it to his YouTube channel. As a first-hand witness of this recent incident, Gabriel says he thinks the officers used excessive force.
Yeah,
44 Beach 10-8 with us up. 44 10-8.